AuraPortal app. What is it for? Thanks to this app, the users can be constantly updated through their phones with important tasks or notifications in its workflow. And this way, they can act in the processes they need immediate intervention from anywhere. Thanks to the app, we are always in full communication. This app allows us to receive all the alerts and alarms and to respond to tasks and interact with our workflow. This application is aimed to the AuraPortal users. It is available in Google Play and the App Store. For its use, we just need to be AuraPortal users and to install the application in our mobile device. If we want, we can subscribe to the available notifications to receive them. It is advisable that the users design their tasks so they are compatible with their mobile phones if they are planning to use AuraPortal app to work. Here we can see a summary of all the functionalities that we have mentioned before. Receive notifications and customize alerts when a task reaches your inbox, integrated access to the personal tasks, subscription system, notification display, direct and authenticated connection with your AuraPortal installation. This application can be designed to access reports, documents, etc. Now is your turn. Please try to do part 9.